Hello guys, good morning. Today I will show you how you can place a K&N HA-6519 on your CBR650R. This one is from building year 2019. First we have to remove this saddle, then unscrew two bolts, one over here, and we can take away that saddle. We will unscrew those two bolts, take this part out, then we will remove two clips, we will take that part out, and then we will remove the entire fuel tank. So it's the most easy thing is to do this when the fuel tank is almost empty, but in my case I've filled it up yesterday, so it's full, but that's also possible. With the key over here you can remove this saddle, take away this saddle, then unscrew that bolt and that bolt. We will remove this part also. And then you have to pull on the side of the fuel tank. And over here you have to slide it out like that. So also on the other side we are removing this part, unscrew that bolt, and then pull over here. And then slide it out like that. Then we will unscrew those two bolts. Push over here, and then you can take it away above. Like so. They are both identical, so you can remove them and place them in the position you want. Then we will unscrew that bolt and also that bolt on the other side. Two bolts are identical. Now we can lift up the fuel tank, and underneath this part, under this plastic cap, there is the air filter. So if you lift up the fuel tank, it just tilts over this point over here. So we will remove this part. And for this clip, you need to pull it like that, and then you can slide it away. There will be a little bit of fuel coming out. And if we now remove this bolt over here, we can take away the fuel tank. Like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this is the 9th. I'll take this part out also. And this away. Be sure that nothing falls in over here, and then we need to remove the original Honda air filter with this bolt and this bolt. And then we can take it away and install the K&N filter. Also 2 identical bolts. The original air filter, $12,000 kilometers. And then we will fit the new air filter in, the K&N. Fits perfect. I can say also the inner bolt, this bolt, is the same size. So all the 9 bolts are identical. That. And this wire was for the GPS. We will do a tie up over here or over here to make it a little bit better. So now we can place the fuel tank back on. Connecting the wiring again. And then fuel line. Pushing the green back in. Like that. And turn those two bolts in on this side and on the other side. Like that. Then we can place this part on. First slide in this side on the back. Tire repair kit. That is how you fit in a new K&N air filter. The CBR650R. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.